Dear students, myself Venkaya, Associate Professor of Physics, Government Women's First Grade College, Kalburgi. In this session, I will discuss about the construction and working of Huygens eyepiece. First, we shall see the construction of the Huygens eyepiece. Huygens eyepiece consists of two converging lenses. Focal lengths of these two lenses are in the ratio of 3:1. The two lenses are separated by a distance which is equal to the difference in their focal length. In this eyepiece, condition for achromatism and minimum spherical aberration are satisfied. If f1 is the focal length of field lens and f2 is focal length of the eye lens and d is the distance between the two lenses, then the condition for achromatism is satisfied if d is equal to f1 plus f2. Condition for minimum spherical aberration is satisfied if d is equal to f1 minus f2. We call these two as equation number 1 and equation number 2. Since equation number 1 and 2 represents the distance between the two lenses, therefore we can equate these two equations. Equating these two equations and on simplifying, you will get f1 is equal to 3 times f2. We call it as equation number 3. If you substitute f1 in equation number 2, then d is equal to 2f2 we will get. And we call it as an equation number 4. Therefore, from equation number 3, it is clear that the focal length of the field lens is 3 times the focal length of the eye lens. From equation number 4, it is clear that the distance between the two lenses is equal to 2 times the focal length of eye lens. The material of two lenses which are used in the Huygens eyepiece are same, and these two lenses are kept in such a way that convex surfaces facing the incident rays. Equivalent lens is placed behind the field lens at a distance f. This is the ray diagram of Huygens eyepiece. In this diagram, the f represents the field lens, E represents the eye lens. The focal length of the field lens is 3f, focal length of the eye lens is f, and these two are separated by a distance 2f. They are separated by a distance 2f. In this eyepiece, the real image is formed by the objective lies behind the field lens, and this image acts as a virtual object for the field lens. This eyepiece cannot be used to observe directly a real image. If you want to make measurements of the final image, you have to keep the crosswires in between the field lens and the eye lens. But the crosswires are viewed through the eye lens only, whereas final image is viewed by rays refracted by both the lenses. Due to this, there will be a disproportionate magnification of crosswire and image. Therefore, the measurements will not be accurate. Hence, the crosswires cannot be used in this eyepiece. The eigen eyepiece is called as the negative eyepiece. Thank you.